In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a stuck cursor on Roblox. If you've ever found yourself in the middle of a game on Roblox, only to realize your cursor just won't budge, don't worry, we're here to help. Let's break down a few straightforward methods to get your cursor back to normal. First, a simple trick that works quite often is this. Open the Roblox menu and then close it. To do this, try pressing the ESC key on your keyboard. This action will bring up the game's menu. Once it's displayed, press ESC again to close it. Frequently, this simple action will unstick your cursor and return it to functioning normally. Now, let's move on to another method, which involves adjusting your in-game view. By pressing the I key, you can zoom in, while pressing the O key allows you to zoom out. This little adjustment can sometimes reset whatever might be causing the cursor to misbehave. Another tip, try pressing the F11 key on your keyboard to enter full screen mode. This can sometimes help set things right with the cursor's behavior. If that doesn't seem to resolve the issue, feel free to toggle F11 again to exit full screen mode. If your game has the shift lock option enabled, pressing the shift key can also toggle the mouse lock on and off. This can often help in releasing the cursor from its stuck position, allowing you to move freely again. Next, if the cursor remains stuck, try unfocusing from the game for a moment. You can do this by pressing Alt+Tab to switch out to your desktop and then clicking back into the game window. This can sometimes resolve temporary glitches that might be affecting your cursor's operation. Moving on, if those methods don't work, let's delve a bit deeper into your computer's settings. Open up Windows Settings and navigate to Apps. From there, go to Installed Apps or Apps and Features, depending on your version of Windows. Scroll down to find the Roblox app. Once you've located it, click the three dots or burger menu next to it, and then select Advanced Options. Within Advanced Options, you'll find the option to repair Roblox. Click Repair and see if this resolves the issue. If not, there's also the option to reset Roblox, which might help if the problem persists. Just remember, clicking reset will likely remove some of your settings or preferences, so it should be used as a last resort. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the stuck cursor issue in Roblox and get back to enjoying your game. Thanks for watching, and I hope these strategies help. If you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.